In my almost 10 years in leadership, I have come to know many leaders in many fields, and I have been privileged to discover the difference between the public face that leaders must always show, bold, confident, and unshakable, and the private face when the leader is no longer on display and can share his or her feelings with friends. That is when you realize that even the great leaders have their doubts and hesitations. They have their moments of depression and near despair, and they are all the more human for it. Don't ever think that leaders are different from the rest of us. They aren't. We all need the courage to live with the challenges, the mistakes, and mishaps to keep going. What distinguishes a leader from a non-leader is not position or office or role, but rather a basic attitude to life. Others wait for something to happen. Leaders help make something happen. While others curse the darkness, a leader lights a light. Whenever we see the word Vayehi, and it came to pass, it is always a prelude to tragedy. Leaders don't wait for something to come to pass. Instead of saying Vayehi, they say Yehi, let there be. That was the word with which God created the universe. It is also the word with which we can create a meaningful life, one that leaves the world a little better for our present. We cannot leave everything to divine intervention. God needs us to act so that He can act through us. Hence the profound wisdom of the Hebrew Torah, that faith does not mean leaving everything to God. It is not what God does for us that changes the human situation. It is what we do for God. Think carefully about that statement.